Hey guys, Patrick here. Welcome back to another lesson where we learn Chinese through headlines. Today's headline is a bit shocking, and here it is. 苹果官网突然降价. Apple's official website suddenly lowers prices. Let's break it down step by step and learn some new vocabulary. The first word, 苹果. 苹果 means apple, both the fruit and the company. In this headline, it refers to the company Apple. Second word, 官网,官网. 官网 is short for 官方网站,官方网站, which means official website. So 官 as in 官方, official, 网 as in 网站, website. So 官网 refers to Apple's official website. Next word, 突然,突然. 突然 means suddenly. 突然. So, yeah, suddenly. 我突然饿了. 我突然饿了. I suddenly get hungry. 我突然饿了. Number 4, 降价. 降价. So, 降 to lower, 价 price. So together, 降价 means lowering the price. Yeah, 降价. Okay, yeah. I think people are more familiar with the other word, raising the price, which is 涨价. So we could say 水果涨价了,水果涨价了. So the prices of fruits have been raised. 水果涨价了. So putting it together, the headline 苹果官网突然降价 translates to Apple's official website suddenly lowers prices. According to the article, this sudden price drop is part of a New Year promotion running from January 4th to January 7th, which discounts up to 800 yuan. Sounds like it's a good deal, right? But let's be careful. We need to talk about the dangers of consumerism. Apple's products are undeniably attractive. But this headline shows just how deeply consumerism has taken root in our society. It convinces people that material things like an iPhone will bring happiness or status, but sometimes the cost is unimaginable. Let me share a shocking story. About 3 years ago, there was a 17-year-old high school student in China who wanted an iPhone 4 and an iPad. Back then, owning an iPhone wasn't just about having a phone, it was a status symbol. If you had one, people assumed you were rich, cool, or just better. But here's the problem. The boy's family couldn't afford an iPhone. Instead of accepting this reality, he came up with a shocking plan. He decided to sell his kidney to get the money. When asked why, he said, 一个肾脏对我来说足够了。为什么需要另一个？为什么不卖它? One kidney is enough for me. Why would I need another one? Why not sell it? So he contacted an illegal middleman who arranged everything. The boy was secretly taken to a small city where he underwent a 9-hour surgery to remove his right kidney. In return, he was paid 22,000 yuan, around $3,000 at the time. What did he do with the money? He immediately bought an iPhone 4 and an iPad, thinking this would make him happy, and for a brief moment, it probably did. Imagine being the only kid in school with those gadgets. He probably felt like a king, but here's what happened next. At first, he didn't feel any health problems, but over time, his body began to deteriorate. By the time he was in his 20s, his life was ruined. Without a second kidney, his body couldn't handle basic functions. He constantly felt tired, weak, and sick. He couldn't work or live a normal life. His parents eventually sued the hospital and the middleman, winning 1.4 million yuan in compensation. But no amount of money can replace his health. He now lives with permanent damage, all because he wanted an iPhone. So this story is a perfect example of how consumerism can blind us. Companies like Apple use brilliant marketing to convince us that we need those products to be happy or successful. But at what cost? Think about it. This boy treated his kidney, something he needed to live, for an iPhone that would become outdated in just a few years. Was it worth it? Absolutely not. So we need to be really careful and teach younger generations to see through the illusion of consumerism. Buying things doesn't solve your problems or make you happier. It only creates new problems like financial stress or regret. All right, let's have a quick review. So the first word, 苹果, Apple. Number two, 官网, official website, as in 官方 official. 网站 website. Number three, 突然 suddenly. Number four, 降价 降价 From the story, 一个肾脏对我来说足够了. One kidney is enough for me. 为什么需要另一个? Why would I need another one? 为什么不卖它? Why not sell it? The headline, 苹果官网突然降价 translates to Apple's official website suddenly lowers prices. What do you think about this headline? Have you ever been tempted by consumerism? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into Chinese language and culture. See you next time. Bye bye.